Hi, my name is Tim Case. I'm with Parsons Brinkerhoff, and this issue of data distribution is really at the center of my practice for the last 10 years or so. People can point at a variety of interoperability issues, data accessibility in terms of lack of access to the internet, but I have slowly come to the conclusion that one of the big issues is around people having a very hard time with sharing what they would say incomplete data sets. They may be things that are provisional, they haven't been validated, and we have a very hard time as professionals with submitting something that we might be accused of mediocre or otherwise substandard. We run into these kinds of issues in submittals for digital data, designs of buildings or base map data sets that are being distributed to a community, alternative plans for a new facility or roadway that's being designed. And by and large, people are very untrusting of others to understand the full meaning, the full context of this not being something that's completely accurate and verified. And people don't have the time to go through that validation process in their day-to-day workflows. So I guess I've, on a pessimistic side, gotten a little jaded by all the enthusiasm we had in the digital rights management movement with geodata, everything we were doing with OGC and the Geodata Alliance and other initiatives across the industry. But I think until we work much better at developing ways to build that trust connection communities, probably much more closed communities where you have to sign on and validate that, yes, I understand this is provisional data sets, rather than just having open URLs or open services. Some of that work has started and has limited success, but we certainly have a long way to go. Those are my thoughts.